I'm Matt with Newman Tractor, and we're with the SANY SSR120HT 84-inch compaction roller, trying it out in sand in a wet environment. The gradability is phenomenal with going up and down hills. There's no slippage, no getting stuck. It just keeps rolling through the job. Compaction on this machine puts out a greater force than our competitors. You'll make less passes, less labor time, less fuel burn. From the driver's seat, you got pretty close to full visibility all the way around the machine. They are in closed cabs, so you have heat and AC to provide your operator that greater comfort. Cummins engine, common parts, easy to maintain, easy to get to, and it's working perfectly.